Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure financial strategies with Vanguard, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Vanguard website at www.vanguard.com. Create an account by clicking on the sign in option or the open an account button. Provide your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Choose the type of account you wish to open, such as an individual brokerage or retirement account. Review and accept the terms and conditions before proceeding. Once your account is created, log in using your credentials. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard to understand available features. Select the Investing tab to explore various investment options. Review the different asset classes, including stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Consider using Vanguard's investment tools, such as risk assessment quizzes or retirement planners. Determine your investment goals and risk tolerance to guide your choices. Start by creating a diversified portfolio based on your risk level. Use Vanguard's pre-built portfolios for a hassle-free approach. If you prefer a hands-on strategy, select individual funds based on your research. Monitor your investments regularly through your Vanguard account dashboard. Rebalance your portfolio as needed to maintain alignment with your financial goals. Explore Vanguard's educational resources for greater financial literacy. Stay informed about market trends and adjust your strategies accordingly. Regularly contribute to your investments to maximize growth over time. Review your financial strategy and make necessary adjustments annually. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.